Wait, should I be looking at the camera or you? Oh, you. Okay, cool. I am Deevee. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Deed. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. Deed is a platform that empowers employees at large companies to share their time, skills, money, and voice with causes that they care about. Truth is, a number of friends recommended Factory as a really awesome place to work. So of course, company culture at Deed comes first, and we've made some significant investments in ensuring that our company culture is a place or is something to be proud of. Being able to participate in a community such a Factory, we see that as super valuable and an asset to the team members in the Berlin team, and of course to the greater Deed team that resides elsewhere in the world that comes here every once in a while as well. Our partners today can use Deed to engage their employees in a series of volunteering events, skills-based projects, donations and fundraisers for pressing causes and issues, all the while being able to quantify, track, measure, and report on the impact that their employees are having. Deed aims to become the purpose layer of the world through which every good deed is done. I think Factory Berlin really invests in ensuring that the experience for its members is an enriching one. It's super diverse, of course, many different kinds of companies and also individuals that work out of the space. And so the programming in turn reflects that diversity. The overall energy really inspires kind of creativity, innovation, and is just a dope place to work.